Hi, I'm John Snow, Executive Editor at Outdoor Life magazine. Welcome to our 2007 gun test. Every year, our panel of judges gathers here in eastern Tennessee near the home of shooting editor Jim Carmichael to put the latest rifles and shotguns through a rigorous week-long competition.
That's what you get for laughing at me.
I want a do-over.
Got your ears on.
You had to burn that stuff.
Now I know that I should just go back and take care of things tonight. But I follow, and it's colder than I thought it was.
When we're judging them, we judge such things as the finish, the fit of the wood, the fit of the metal, detailing, the quality of the finish, everything else it takes to make a really good gun. But of course the scoring is not completed yet, and all of the test shooters have their own ideas about what makes a good gun.
Where are you? Looking back there, I guess I should have known that everything would be fine. Hear them calling, I will find my way with you in the morning light. There's really so much we can choose. Can I be somebody to you? I just want to be somebody, and I should not be standing right here, but I am, and I don't want to leave. I'm still around.
Well, we're just finished up a week's worth of shooting here in Tennessee, and it has been an incredible test. We've gone through a whole battery of rifles and shotguns, and one thing that is really clear to us is that this is going to be a very exciting year for shooters in our sports.
Now I know that I should just go back and take care of things tonight. But I follow, and it's colder than I thought it was outside.
See, that is how you do it.